Sir P swings back at dancehall producer Shabdon, lawyer. Sir P swings back at dancehall producer Shabdon, lawyer. YouTube vlogger Sir P of Politricks Watch has hit back at dancehall producer Linval, Shabdon, Thompson Jr. and his lawyer. "Do what you say you would do," said Sir P, hours after the lawyer released a video demanding that he cease and desist from making defamatory claims about the producer. Thompson, who was recently freed of gun charges, has been at the center of scrutiny in many of Sir P's videos. The vlogger on several occasions made unflattering allegations about the producer. But Shabdon and his lawyer have denied these claims. Mr. Linval Thompson is a well-known, well-established businessman, and he is not involved in any criminal activities, said Donovan Collins, the lawyer representing Thompson. He said the defamatory videos have caused Thompson Jr. to suffer severe reputation harm. But Sir P says he is not fazed. He insists that he is for the advancement and safety of the Jamaican people, even if that means he has to be a martyr. Brought to you by Jamaica News.